Okay, I've given a presentation here, and I've put some things in which might be a little bit more focused on people in the audience today, so you can see what happens with water and the water industry. Just a little bit of information to start with. I mean, population growth in this region is very high, and this is the graph. You can see from 2005 to 2014, the UAE population expanded dramatically. So that needs more water. It's 90% desalination here in the UAE. You might recognize someone in this picture here. That's a layer desalination plant. So as the population grows, you need more water, you're going to need more desalination plants. So Sharjah's population as well, it was noted in 2017, was going to grow another 92% till 2025. In my company, we do a lot of water monitoring and pipeline monitoring. So what I thought I'd share with you today are some of the uses of water and how much water we actually use. UAE residents use up to 550 liters of water per day. Okay? The international average is between 170 and 300. So we're over double what the water usage per person here than anywhere else in the world. So it's 82% higher than the average elsewhere. We've got one of the highest water consumptions. To compare, in the UK, we use 150 liters per day per person. So why is this? Are we taking more baths here? I don't think so. So what are the reasons? So let's have some examples. If you have a morning shower for 8 minutes, how many liters of water do you think we would use? Any guesses? How much? 70, 80, 65. Very close, in the right ballpark. Drinking water, if you have your 8 glasses of water a day, you'd normally use about 2 liters of water, so not much for drinking at all. Cooking, teas, coffees, how much do you think we use for cooking? Any guesses? 4, 6, 20, 11. So you can see all of these things are small. You can see how you could use 150 liters a day and still have plenty left over. Washing machine, if you use that, how much you think you will use for the washing machine? 180? 85. Then you'll want to use the bathroom, so flushing the toilet, let's assume you flush that 5 times a day. So how much would you use for flushing the water 5 times? 30, 65, 100, 50. That's assuming a toilet with a 10-liter tank. Okay? So you can see we can live quite easily within, 150, 200 liters of water per day. But then what happens if you wash the car? 10 minutes car washing with the hose. How much for that? 130, 300, 150, 420. So now, forget everything else. If you are just washing your car every day, you're already using more than the average for the rest of the world on the day. Okay? What about if you have a garden in your villa? If you're watering that, how much per day for watering the garden? 900 liters. 200. Yes, but on average, give us an average number. 300. 2,100 liters. That's for watering the garden. So now you can see we're way over. If you don't water the garden here, it's going to be sand very soon. And then what happens if you've got a water leak in your property? Now, it doesn't happen all the time, but there are water leaks in properties. How much for a water leak? How much do you think that will consume in a day? Sorry? 5,000. Any advance on 5,000? 4,200 on average size leak. So it's a good guess, 5,000. So you can see the standard things that we have to do every day: take a shower, drink water, cook, use the washing machine, flush the toilet. These are not the things that impact the amount of water as a nation we are using. It's the other things at the bottom: washing a car, watering the garden, having water leak in the property. Okay, and these are the things we would need to address if you're looking at conservation of water in this region on an individual basis. Business is different. So we've done some studies on villas using remote meter reading equipment and a phone app, so you can see every 15 minutes how much water is being used.